Hello everyone, my name is Hamza and I am AI engineer and today our topic is about explainable AI and uncertainty quantification. So let's understand this. So imagine a doctor is using an AI system and the AI looks at a patient and reports and says high risk of cancer. Nothing. The doctor asks why. But the AI gives no answer. It just says, trust me. Would you trust this system? Most people will say no. And this is the biggest problem in AI today. AI can give answers, and but sometimes it cannot explain them. This is where explainable AI comes in. In a short definition, if we say explainable AI means building AI systems that can explain their decisions, and uncertainty quantification means measuring how confident the AI is about its decisions. Now, let's understand this slowly and deeply. In normal life, when a human makes a decision, we can ask, why did you do this? And the person explain. But many AI models, especially in deep learning models, are like black boxes. They take input but and give output, but we don't know what is happening inside. Black box, if we understand the concept of black box, so a system or device that can be viewed slowly and in terms of its inputs and outputs without any knowledge of its internal workings. So imagine a closed box, a closed. So black. Imagine a black box is like imagine a closed box. You put something inside and something comes out, but you cannot see what is happening inside. So this is how many AI models work. They are powerful but not transparent. No, imagine this in a hospital. Um, AI says this patient has a disease, but it cannot explain why. If the doctor blindly trust it, it could be dangerous. If the doctor ignore it, then AI becomes useless. So we need something in between. We need explanations. So explainable AI in deep explanation, simply we say is explainable AI tries and to answer questions like why did the model make this decision and which features were important and how did the input affect the output. So imagine in an AI that predicts whether a student will pass or fail. If it just says fail, this is not enough. But if it says the student may fail because attendance is low and marks are weak, no, it becomes useful. So human think versus AI. Humans explain their thinking, and AI should also do the same because explanation builds trust, understanding, control. So in real life example, if we took a loan approval example, imagine a bank chooses AI to approve loans. AI says loan rejected. Customer asks why. Uh, if there is no explanation, the customer will feel unfair. But if AI says rejected because income is low and credit history is weak, no, it feels reasonable. So there are explanations can be simple like highlighting important features, showing which part of image mattered, giving reasons in words. In medical's example, in medical imaging, uh, image AI looks at an X-ray and says there is a tumor. No, explainable AI can highlight the exact area in the image, and so the doctor can see, okay, this is the reason. No, AI becomes a partner, not just a machine. Now let's understand the uncertainty quantification. Now let's move the if we read the simple explanation definition of uncertainty quantification is the science of characterizing and reducing the dots of in computational and real world models. In deep explanation, we simply says in the real life example, no one is always so percent sure. Even doctor says, I am so percent sure, I am 80% sure, or there is some doubt. AI should also do the same. Uh, in example, imagine AI says prediction disease, but it also says confidence 95%. No, we trust it more. But if it says confidence is 55%, so then we know this result in uncertain. We should be careful. In the real example of scenario, think about weather prediction. Sometimes it says 90% chance of rain. Sometimes says 40% chance of rain. This percentage is uncertainty. AI without uncertainty, if AI always acts like it is so percent sure, so that is dangerous. Because sometimes AI is wrong, and if we don't know the confidence, we may trust it blindly. In medical example, in healthcare, if AI is unsure and it should say, I am not confident. So the doctor can double check. This can save lives. Uh, explainability and uncertainty together. We simply say no. Combine both ideas. Uh, Good AI should explain its decision and tell how confident it is. So in combined example, AI says there is a tumor in this area, highlight it, and I am 95% confident. No, this is powerful. Doctor understands where the problem is, how sure the AI is. So in a bad example, AI says tumor detected, no, but no explanation, no confident. So this is dangerous. So why this is important in AI future? In the future of AI, explainable AI and uncertainty quantification are the two safety switches that turn powerful algorithms and into reliable tools. As AI moves from simple tasks like recommendation movies to critical roles like performing surgery or driving trucks, we can no longer afford to just hope the AI is right. We need to know why it made a choice and how sure it is. As AI used in healthcare, self-driving cars, finance, reports, and we use systems that are transparent um, and safe. So, in simple self-driving car example, imagine a self-driving car suddenly brakes. You ask, why did it stop? If it explains because if it explain was detected, if it explains because a pedestrian was detected, you feel safe. If it gives no reason, you feel scared. So in human trust, trust is the key. People trust systems that explain decisions, and show confidence. Without trust, even the best AI is useless. Think about this is will you trust a doctor who never explains anything? Absolutely not. Same rule applies to AI. Uh, so, in simple terms, explainable AI make AI understandable, and uncertainty makes AI honest. Together, they make AI reliable. In if we again says in simple words, explainable AI tells us why a decision was made, and uncertainty tells us how sure the system is. Both are necessary for building safe and trustfully AI systems. So in the future, AI will not just be smart. It will need to be understandable and trustable. Because real intelligence is not just giving answer, it is also explaining them.